Have you ever wondered how massive companies like Amazon or Netflix know exactly what you're looking for, even before you do? Or how those apps seem to predict the weather so accurately? Well, behind the scenes, there's something called data engineering working its magic. At its core, data engineering is the process of collecting, transforming, and organizing data so it's ready for analysis. Think of it like setting up a super efficient delivery system for information. Engineers design pipelines that take raw data, things like user behavior, weather patterns, or sales numbers, and clean it up so that it's useful for everyone downstream, from analysts to machine learning models. Now, why does this matter? Without data engineers, data would be a jumbled mess. It's like trying to navigate a city with no roads or street signs. Chaotic. Data engineers create the infrastructure that helps companies make sense of huge amounts of information, turning it into something valuable. From building databases to ensuring everything flows smoothly, they're the backbone of data driven decision making. Data engineering also involves keeping systems running at top speed. After all, when millions of people are accessing data every second, performance matters. So, they optimize storage, ensure data integrity, and design systems that can handle increasing amounts of data without crashing. In short, data engineers are the unsung heroes who make sure the right data gets to the right people at the right time. Without them, businesses would be stumbling in the dark. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.